Welcome back to the AI for All channel, where we demystify AI and make AI accessible for everyone. In previous section, we've explored the theoretical aspects of ChatGPT and shared prompt templates to give you a head start in maximizing your interactions with ChatGPT. Check out the links in the description below if you need a refresher. Starting from this session, we're transitioning to our next and more exciting series, Making It Real. We'll be exploring how to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities to enhance your productivity and efficiency in your everyday tasks. In each episode, we will be sharing with you a generic template to help you get started. Once you're comfortable using ChatGPT effectively for specific tasks, feel free to customize the template to match your own style. The first use case we will be looking at is on a task many of us spend a significant amount of time on daily: writing. Writing is an essential skill for professionals today. Whether it's drafting emails, reports, or blog posts, writing serves as the backbone of communication. However, it presents challenges such as writer's block and adapting the tone for diverse audiences. This is where ChatGPT can help. It's great at generating coherent, contextually appropriate text. It's not just for drafts. ChatGPT can suggest style changes tailored to your specific audience. However, human oversight remains crucial for ensuring high-quality, customized output. Integrating ChatGPT into your workflow not only saves time, but also ensures a consistent tone. The AI assistant can also improve your vocabulary and sentence structure. However, it lacks domain expertise and emotional nuance. To unlock the full potential of ChatGPT for writing, thorough preparation is crucial. Make a list of points or keywords to make your prompts more efficient and focused. Ask detailed follow-up questions to get text closely aligned with your goals. As we have highlighted in the previous episodes, when it comes to crafting prompts, context is king. What you get out of ChatGPT is dependent on the inputs that you provided. When it comes to asking ChatGPT for help with writing, there are several things that you should include in your prompt. Besides telling what type of writing you need help with, it's important to also let ChatGPT knows: who is your target audience? What's your goal? What's the preferred tone and style? You can use this prompt to help you get started. This is a simple and straightforward template, which is ideal for when you're seeking quick advice. I need help with writing a type of article, email, blog post. The goal is objective, and the preferred tone style is specify tone style. For instance, if you need to quickly respond to a client's email, you might use, I need help with writing an email. The goal is to confirm a meeting date with a client, and the preferred tone style should be polite and professional. And if you need to send a quick update to your team, consider using this prompt. I need help with writing an email. The goal is to inform my team about the status of our current project, and the preferred tone style should be straightforward and concise. For more detailed or specific needs, you may opt for this comprehensive template. I need help with writing a type of article, email, blog post. The goal is objective, and the preferred tone style is specify tone style. This is intended for a target audience, and it's important to cover the following points: specific points or subtopics. Also, please include the keywords. Keywords. The required length for this piece is word count, number of paragraphs. For example, let's say you would like to write a blog post about time management. You could use the following prompt: I need help with writing a blog post. The goal is to educate the reader on effective time management strategies, and the preferred tone style is informative yet casual. This is intended for working professionals, and it's important to cover the following points: importance of time management, practical tips, and case studies. Also, please include the keywords time management, productivity, and work-life balance. The required length for this piece is around 800 words. Context is king. The more contextual details you furnish ChatGPT with, the more accurate and targeted the response will be. Quick tip: if the initial output doesn't meet your expectations, simply click the Regenerate button for alternative versions. Receiving the initial output is just the first step in a more iterative process. After you receive the initial output, scrutinize it to make sure it aligns with your objectives in terms of relevance, completeness, and style. Ask for clarification or additional sections if required. While ChatGPT can undoubtedly accelerate the initial drafting process, it's essential to factor in time for multiple iterations. Fine-tuning the generated content to align with your specific objectives and quality standards may require a more extended time commitment than initially anticipated. That's what we have for our first Make It Real series. If you found this useful, don't stop here. Use the templates provided and give it a try. Get started. Over time, customize the template to suit your personal style and incorporate this into your writing workflow. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Harness the power of AI to enhance your writing, speed, quality, and coherence. Make it real. If you find this video useful and insightful, please help to spread the word so that more people can benefit from it. Remember, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows AI might. Our aspiration is to help you be that someone. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next video.